Once upon a time, there was a prince who was loved by his people. His name was Prince Leo. One sunny day, he decided to walk around his kingdom, disguised as a commoner. As he strolled through the market, he saw a girl with sparkling eyes and a smile that could light up the darkest night. Her name was Ella. Prince Leo was instantly enchanted by Ella. She was kind, witty, and had a heart as pure as gold. They spent the entire day together, and by the time the sun set, Prince Leo knew he wanted to marry her. But when he returned to the palace and told his parents, the king and queen, about Ella, they were not pleased. "She is not of royal blood," they said. "She cannot be part of our family." Heartbroken but determined, Prince Leo sought advice from the royal wizard. The royal wizard was an old and wise magician. Listened to the prince's tale and decided to help. "My son, love is the most powerful magic of all," he said. "But we will need something extraordinary to convince your parents." The wizard gave Prince Leo a magical ring. "This ring," he explained, "will take you and Ella on a journey through enchanted lands. Along the way, you will face challenges that will prove her worthiness and your love for her." With the ring in hand, Prince Leo found Ella and told her everything. Together, they put on the ring and were instantly transported to the forest of whispers. The trees spoke in hushed tones, giving them clues to find the crystal of truth, hidden deep within the forest. They faced many obstacles: mischievous fairies, a grumpy troll guarding a bridge, and a maze of ever-changing paths. But their love and teamwork saw them through. Finally, they reached the heart of forest and found the crystal of truth. When they touched it, the crystal glowed brightly and spoke out. Only true love can light the way. The crystal's light enveloped Ella, revealing her true lineage. She was the lost princess of a neighboring kingdom, thought to be gone forever. With this revelation, Prince Leo and Ella returned to the palace. The king and queen were astonished by the truth and welcomed Ella with open arms. A grand celebration was held, and Prince Leo and Princess Ella were married under a sky filled with twinkling stars. Their love had proven strong enough to overcome any challenge, and they ruled their kingdom with kindness and wisdom. And so they lived happily ever after. Their story, a legend of love, magic, and the power of truth. Dear friends, we hope that you enjoyed our story. If you enjoyed the story, please like it. and share this story to your friends. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel to get more enchanted videos like this.